Hello everybody, my name is Sanand and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. And now let's jump straight into the video. As you can see, we are on the Truth Seekers website and I have a big update for you guys. Also in this video, I will be purchasing some tokens and I will be participating in the seed round. And now let me show you the good news. When you go to the Truth Seekers website and you scroll down, you will see that the token seed round is officially live. It started on September 23rd and it will end on September 28th at 2 p.m. And the minimum contribution is $500. Also, there's no maximum contribution. And the seed round ends in 1 day, 11 hours, and 38 minutes. And as you can see, they have lowered the minimum contribution from 1,000 BUSD to 500 BUSD. This way, more people can get in and more people can support the project. But here's the big news. Seed rounders will receive a limited profit sharing NFT. So the way this will work is they will have 1,000 NFTs. And if you contribute $500, you will get one of these NFTs. But it is on a first come, first served basis until they raise $500,000. Also guys, this in my opinion is absolutely amazing. All the people that will be holding these NFTs will be generating passive income. As this project grows, it will generate a ton of revenue. Once they release their official wallet, once they release the MetaMask extension, once their auditing service is fully up and running, best believe they're going to be generating revenues. And they will be taking 10% of all the revenue generated and they will be distributing them to the NFT holders. In my opinion, this is absolutely amazing, and long term, it will be a great way to earn some passive income. And I'm not talking about some chump change pennies here and there. Once everything is up and running and they are generating massive profits, the passive income that these NFTs will generate will definitely be substantial. Also, this is just the beginning and who knows what other benefits NFT holders will be given. So I definitely want to get my hands on one of these NFTs. And now let's buy some tokens and let's qualify to receive this free NFT. Alright, so on their website, we're simply going to press buy token now. This will pretty much take us to this website and it will show you the current stats. So far they have raised $175,000, but once they raise $500,000, then there will not be any more NFTs to give out. So if you are interested in getting one of these NFTs and you want to get some Truth Seekers tokens, do not hesitate and do not wait around. The next step is to connect our wallet and then it will give you some options. MetaMask, Coinbase, Wallet Connect, which has a ton of other wallets, or Inject. I will be using MetaMask, so that is what I will press. And as you can see, my wallet is connected. The minimum contribution is 500 BUSD, and that is what we will put, 500 BUSD. And we're going to press approve. It will open up our wallet and it will ask us to confirm, and that is what we will do. Once it is approved in your wallet, we are going to press contribute. And then it will open up our wallet again and ask us to confirm. And we have successfully contributed. And as you can see, our balance has gone from 600 to 100 BUSD. So we have officially contributed to the Truth Seekers seed round. And now we are qualified for the awesome NFT. So once the seed round is over, they will have a pre-sale and then they will have a public sale. And every sale that they have, the price of these tokens will go up. So the sooner you get in, the more profits you can potentially make. Alright everybody, that concludes this video. If you enjoyed it, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. And as always, I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research and most importantly, do what is right for your crypto portfolio. See you in the next video. Peace out.